Welcome guys, today I am with REALME C35 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So at first I'm going to show you how we can use the volume buttons. They are right here in this place, and when you click one of them, for example volume up, you can simply take photos. So as you can see, they works like this shutter right here in front of us. One more time, you just have to click once. And that's how we can take photo in the other way. Another option, when you click on the 1x zoom, click and hold, you will get this slider, and with this slider you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. You can also make it with your two fingers by pinching screen like that. Okay, right now we can quickly change brightness level. So if you want to adjust brightness in your photo or video mode, just click once and then move this sun icon. Oh, let me do this one more time. To the right to increase, or to the left to decrease. To adjust automatically, you have to tap on the screen once. Right now, let's go for the more modes, and right here we can find, for example, filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. So if you want to change look of your photo, for example, we can go for this mono mode, pick this one, click on the shutter, and as you can see, that photo was taken. Let me just enable the auto rotate screen. Okay, there it is. As you can see, that's how the photo looks. It's different from this one, right? Different colors. Okay, right now we can go back. And if you want to turn off this mode and turn off the filters, you can go for this one, or just click right here. Next, we can go for the settings. And right here we can find a couple of the interesting options. For example, we can change function of the volume buttons. So previously we can use them as the shutter. It's selected right here, but we can also use as a zoom feature. And for me, actually, it's the best way to zoom in this phone. As you can see, when you press volume up, you can zoom in, and volume down to zoom out. One more time. So we can go from 1x to 4x. Okay, let's go back for the settings. And right now we can also enable touching photography. So right now we switch the volume button function from the shutter to zoom. But right now we can also take photos by touching the screen once. So how we can use it and when you can use it. For example, when you have small hands and you hold your phone with the one hand and you are not able to reach this bottom shutter. So to keep your phone steady, just click once on the screen and the photo will be taken. In the options, we can find another useful feature, that's the shutter countdown. So we can pick 3 or 10 seconds. Let's pick, for example, 10 seconds. Click on the shutter, and as you can see, after the 10 seconds, the photo will be taken. So you can use it, for example, while taking the group photos with your friends, or using the tripod or something like that. So you know what I mean. Okay, so honestly, that's all for the REALME C35. I hope that this video is going to help you to take better photos and to use these hidden features. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.